Root canals have a bad rap, but they do a lot of good for patients. They're needed when a cavity or infection reaches the soft, living tissues inside your tooth. Root canals help your body heal and make painful teeth behave. They do this by cleaning out the tiny insides of a tooth. Teeth are unique because they have a very hard outside and only a tiny amount of living tissue on the inside. This means that when a tooth's living tissue gets hurt, it can't swell and heal like other parts of your body. Think about the last time you jammed your finger or twisted your ankle. That injury caused swelling and allowed your body to send nutrients and cells to help aid in the healing process. Teeth don't have that luxury, but their squishy insides still try to swell up, which leads to a lot of pain and discomfort. Your body's immune system also has trouble getting inside there and cleaning things out. That's where a root canal can help. Your dentist cleans and sanitizes the inside of your tooth, then seals it up. This gets rid of any infection, stops the pain, and allows your body to clean up any infection left behind.